Hello there, hummingbird buddy. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that, how tiny she is. Like an inch and a half. Her body is like less than an inch tall. Her head's about the size of a marble, a small marble, not even a big one. It's just darling. You were singing me a song. You gonna sing for me? Sing for me. Little baby. Oh, look at that green on your head. That is pretty. Very pretty. You're a very pretty bird.